Semantic search. Semantic search is a concept which basically looks at focusing on the user's intent and how the subject of the search relates to other information in a wider sense. So here we are, rather than looking at the string of keywords, what we are really looking at is what a user is really means and then serving relevant search results for it. Another example for this can be, let's say, when user searches for weather, the intent is that possibly the user wants to know the current day's weather temperature. And that is what Google started showing as well, as you can see in the screenshot. Rather than giving information about what weather means and other website results related to the keyword, which is weather. So this is how the Google Hummingbird was designed, and the focus was more on looking at the intent of the search queries.